With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So in this question it is given that if a1, a2, a3 till an plus 1 b ap, whose common difference is d, and the sum s1 is equal to a1 till an, s2 is equal to an plus 1 till a2n, and s3 is equal to a2n plus 1 till a3n, etc. Then we have to show that s1, s2, s3, s4 are in ap whose common difference is n square d. So first of all, let's write the formula of sum of an ap. So it is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is the number of terms and d is the common ratio and a is the first term of ap. Now let's write the nth term of ap, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So these two formulas will be used here. So first of all, let's focus on s1. So s1 is equal to given as the sum of a1 plus a2 till an. So s1 is equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3, and it will go up to till an. So what is the sum of this? So we can write it is equal to n by 2, 2a plus 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d, because first term is a1. So this is the value of s1. Now we have to find the value of s2. So just to find the value of s2, s2 belongs to from a n plus 1 to a 2n, a n plus 1 to a 2n. So it is also in terms, so we can write its sum, that is equal to n by 2, 2a n plus 1 plus n minus 1 into d. So this is equation 2. Now let's do a one work, that let's assume that s1, s2, s3 are in ap. So first of all, let's find the sum of s3, that is a3n. In this also there are n terms, so n by 2, 2a1, 2a 2n plus 1 plus n minus 1 into d. So it is equation 3. Now what we have to do, we have to assume that s1, s2, s3 are in ap, so that we can directly find the common difference, and if it is the common difference is equal to the given common difference in question, so it will be correct. So let us assume that s1, s2, s3, s4 be in ap. So now we have to find the common difference. So we can find common difference by subtracting first term from the second term of an ap. So let's see the common difference, the new common difference. So we can write it as a capital D, common difference, because it is a common difference between s1, s2, s3, etc. So s2 minus s1. So the value of s2 is equal to n by 2. So n by 2 will be common from whole part, and the value of s2 is 2a n plus 1 plus n minus 1 into d minus n by 2. Its value is 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So yeah, this is, so n by 2 will be common, and n minus 1 d will be cancelled out from this. So these parts will be cancelled out, that is n minus 1 into d. And at last what will remain? So at last it will remain n by 2, that is equal to nan plus 1 and minus na1. So now what we have to do, we have to use the nth term formula of an AP, because we have a n plus 1, which is the term of n plus 1th place. So Tn is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Then Tn plus 1, that is equal to a n plus 1. It is equal to a1 plus nd. So a n plus 1 is equal to a1 plus nd. So just put this value here. So we can write n, and a n plus 1 we can write it as a a1 plus nd minus n a1. So na1 will be cancel out, and n square d will be remain. So our assumption is right, and the common difference is n square d. So we have proved LHS is equal to RHS, and thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.